Hello, my name is Russ Homans. I'm with Phoenix Automation Solutions. Just wanted to show and demonstrate how a Allen Bradley PLC can be added to an HMI application in Flexisoft. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and just create a new application. So just go Project New, and the product that I'll target this to is an FP3070. And I'll go ahead and choose FP3070TN. So it's a 7-inch touchscreen, and it has touchscreen, and it also has network capabilities. So we'll go ahead and choose that. And the programming language I'll use here is the IEC 61131. So we'll just click OK. This creates the basic shell of the application for us. So in order to add the Allen Bradley PLC on the Ethernet side, we'll go to Network Configuration. We'll go ahead and expand this and click on COM3 Ethernet. So once you're there, you can see that there's no nodes in place here. So we'll go ahead and right-click and then click Add. So this brings up our configuration window. So what we want to do here is go to Protocol and choose Allen Bradley PLC EIP. So go ahead and choose that. And at this point you have a choice in the models between Micrologix M1000 and SLC 5. So we'll go ahead and just choose the Micrologix M1000. Now when we choose the protocol as Allen Bradley, it's going to go ahead and set the correct PLC port. So this port on the Ethernet is what Allen Bradley talks over. The other thing that you'd have to do here is put in the IP address that you have set in your Micrologix PLC. So, if that's 192.168.1.10, for example, you go ahead and enter that there. So at this point we can also give this a name. So we can give this any kind of name, pump 1 PLC. So at this point we can just go ahead and click Add. So it adds it to the list, and if you need to, you can go back in here and edit anything here. So now that that's there, what we want to do is go to the tag database and add any tags that are needed to be pulled from the Allen Bradley PLC or written to the Allen Bradley PLC. So at this point we'll just click on tags, and all the tags that you see here are automatically populated when we started the application. So these are just basic tags. If you want to hide those tags, you can click on this Hide System Tags, and it will just clear everything out. So now it would only show user tags. So at this point, we can right-click and hit Add. And the node name that we want to add the tag for is the Pump 1 PLC. So go ahead and click that. And now you can see that these are Allen Bradley specific tags that we can add. So for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and add an integer register, and you can define what address it is that you're adding this to. And so here we can just say give it a name of pump time. So and then we can click Add. So it adds that to the tag database. So now with this pump time here, we can display that on the screen. So we can just do a show data, numerical data, and we can go ahead and click the tag name, and we can choose pump time. So now pump time will be displayed. And we can make this bigger if you want. So that would be our pump time directly from the Allen Bradley PLC. So once we have that there, say for example we want to use this in the PLC, because this FP3070, you can also have logic embedded in this. So in order to do that, we have to make a local register on the HMI that reflects the Allen Bradley tag. So in order to do that, we can go ahead and create a task, and that task will happen globally. So global tasks happen every scan, and they just continuously happen. You can also add tasks as a power-up, and the power-up tasks, this just executes one time. So we'll go ahead and add this to the global tasks. And the task that we want to add here is copy B to A. So B is going to be our source. So for this example, it's going to be the pump time. So go ahead and choose that. So this is our Allen Bradley tag from the PLC, and we want to copy that over to a local register that we can use in logic. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and hit select tag, and from this point I can say add tag. So the tag that I want to add is going to be local to the FP3070TN, and I'm just going to create an integer tag, and I'll just call this local pump time, and click add, and then we can close that. And so now we'll go ahead and choose this as the register that we're writing to. So we can click add. So now this local pump time, we can use that in our logic. So for example, if we go to logic blocks and we go to main and we choose block 1, now we can actually say we want to do a compare statement. We can drag this greater than compare statement on, and now we can actually select our local pump time register as one of the compares. So I hope this video is helpful, and if you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you.